Welcome back to the lesson of creating our React.js part of the app / the front end of the app. So if you go Google create React app, you come to here, copy this, and open your terminal. If you didn't know how to open, you go at the top right, there's a magnifying glass there, and just type in terminal and then click on it. So you paste that there, and whatever you want to call your app, I'll call it work services. Enter. Oh, I shouldn't have done that, sorry. Can't call it cap. That was good because I want to make sure I'm the desktop. So you go ls, then cd desktop, and then you'll be on the desktop, and you can press ls again to make sure the things at the back here will come up, being your desktop things. Now this is too big for my screen, 1 second. So then you want to go create React app. It's called work services. I'll just put it all one word, make it easier. Okay, and I'll come back after this is finished. Okay, so that will be all done. I'll say happy hacking down here. You can close this, and then you want to go open folder. Find the folder on your desktop, work services, open. So you want to do app.js, Command-Shift-P to get to this, npm start, and this will start it in your browser. And that's what you got there. So that is a representation of app.js. So what you can do is get rid of all this and just put a h1. I'll put work services. And there we go, that's our app to start with. Okay, so next we're going to change this icon up here in the name here. So you just want to download any icon. I've got this one here, hemologo.png. So you want to open up this work services, public. You can delete this one. Won't let me delete it. There we go. Put that there. Hemologo.png. So come to VS Code, go to index.html, and then just put this hemologo.png. Save. Come down here. The name is under title. Work services. It's updated like so. Okay, come back into the app, and you want to go Command-Shift-P, npm install React router DOM. This allows us to go to different pages throughout our app. So while that's loading, want to come to source, new folder, pages, and components. Another new folder, sorry, components. Some pages, new file, home.js. So the correct way to do this is camel case, so it's lower letters for these ones. New file, login.js. signup.js. You'll come into here. Make sure you got this installed, ES7. So then, once that's installed, you can come back to home. Let's type RCE, enter. So that's what ES7 gives us, allows us to do that. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, let's do that. Copy all this, copy, come to login, click that, go Command D. Oh, it doesn't give us that middle one. Maybe we'll change it to lowercase. Command D. What is this, a login page? So login. Then you want Command A, Command C, sign up, paste that, Command V. You should know that, sorry. So Command D, sign up. Okay, so just went a bit ahead to do this one. So React Router DOM should be installed, and then you want to import browser router as router, just for simplicity, and route and switch. So this will allow us to go to the different pages on a website. Then next you want to import these. You can do this one, then copy and paste it, and then Command D to get those. Make sure you got the correct spelling, like pages with the capital if you got a capital here. And then we want to wrap this whole thing in the router, and then the switch, and each route like so. So this here. So once you've done all this, you want to go Command Save, Option Command S, and then npm start again. It comes in here. So see at this top here, if you put this slash, you'll go to the home page, and then go slash login. Sign up.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
Like so. So that's that working. So come back to here. Yeah, so the exact path, that's what we're going to put in the web browser search bar. And then home, these relate to these ones here. Okay, so of course you don't want to be typing that in, you want a nav bar, so we'll do that next. Okay, so I've gone ahead and done the nav bar. So go to components, control, click it, new file, navbar.js. Then come to navbar. You're going to go Command Shift P, enter. While you're building this out, you can copy it. Well, you can't copy it yourself, but npm install material /UI/core. Paste it in there, enter. I've redone it. So anyway, you want to import React. Again, you can do the RCE tab to build it out, like so. Oh, RCE enter, sorry. So let's go back. So like this, and app bar, which is here. I'm not sure if I explained this, but Material UI is built by Google. And get started. It's basically what I told you. And then it's pretty much, I'll just search it. So say you want contact cards or something, you can just copy this code and get this card like so. Put your own information in, makes it a lot quicker. Something like this, and then you can edit it as well. So you go here, show the source code, and obviously you can just copy all this. So back to Visual Studio Code, create these buttons with login. This will look like at the end. These buttons up here, which I haven't put the links in for yet, but I will in a moment. So once you've done all that, Command Save, come back here in a second, but come to app.js. So you want to wrap the whole thing in the app class name, add this nav bar, and also if you do this here, backspace that, little trick, control spacebar, and this one here, and that will just add it up there for you. And I don't know why, but it doesn't highlight right, so I just change it like that. So copy all this out. I'm going to wrap that container in there, because if you don't wrap the container in there, what happens is this home page gets stuck under there, because we're going to create that in CSS in a second. So wrap that all in container, then come to app.css and .container, margin, and max width. So if you didn't know or want a reminder, margin, this goes top, right, bottom, left. So 80 at the top, auto on the right and left just centers it, 0 at the bottom, go max width there, so save that, go option command save to save all. I think that's it. I'll just double check. Yeah, I haven't done anything here. So then command shift P, npm start, if you're not really running. That should get you to here. Now we'll create the links. Okay, so come back into navbar. We're going to import link from React router DOM/link. Another thing I'll point out is that you can just import at Material UI core for everything, though you really want to just import what you need for efficiency's sake. Okay, so after you've done this, import link from React router DOM/link. Come down here, component equals link, and then to login for your login one. Same again for home and sign up. Remember, these values here will be the same values that you have in app.js here, like so. So come back here, go option command S for save all, so make sure you saved everything, and then command shift P, npm start, enter. I'm already running, but you can say yes if that ever comes up, and you can be going to the different ones like so. Okay, next thing I want to send these buttons here, so come back to here, toolbar, what the class name, call it nav container. Let's copy that, so you got the spelling correct. Come to app. Just save that again, actually. I've already put it here, sorry, I went ahead with that as well. So nav container, that will just put everything in the middle, like so. Just looks a bit better, I think. So that'll be it for this lesson.